Age range, for toddlers 2 years plus, holds up to 100 pounds. Adorable design, Windsor-style design with whimsical spindles and angled legs offers style and support. Fun addition to your child's bedroom, playroom, entryway, mudroom or living room. Durable construction, kids' bench is made from sturdy wood. Easy assembly, super easy assembly takes less than 5 minutes, includes all of the hardware needed to assemble. Safest option, meets or exceeds all national safety standards and CPSC regulations, designed with rounded corners for safety, non-toxic multi-step painting process is lead and phthalate safe. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty. Sad to say I have to return it. My 2 kids combine their weight 80 pounds, not enough space for 2 kids, they keep pushing each other.